Hi traders, welcome to my channel Cora Trade. Today I will discuss some good stocks which I already given in my Telegram channel. First one, textile company Raymond's. This one I given in Telegram on June 8th at the price 24.71. Now it is trading 27.80, almost 12% rise in 11 days. This Raymond's 2 months back after consolidation breakout at 1915 level, it is given 40% returns in just 2 months. Still, it is continuing its uptrend. And next stock is a leading network service provider, Tejas Network. This one I given in Telegram on June 9th at the price of 12.84. Now it is trading at 14.11. 10% increased in just 10 days. Now it is in consolidation mode. Next one is a leading footwear company, Metro Brands. I explained about this in my best stocks video on June 13 at the price 1130 rupees. It is also increased 10% in just 10 days after I given in my video. And next stock is Amara Raja Batteries. On June 6th, I explained about this after election results on buying opportunity in Amara Raja Batteries at the price of 1277 rupees. Surprisingly, it is improved 27% in just 20 days. Now it is trading all-time high. Just today, it is risen 20% after licensing deal with China-based company GIB Energy X for lithium-ion cells to Amara Raja Advanced Cell Technologies. Then I given Gabriel India on June 20th at the price of 421. It is increased to 12% in just 4 trading sessions after I posted in Telegram. Now it is trading at 476 rupees and continues its uptrend. So these are some examples in Cora Trade Telegram stock advices and success rate in short term. So please keep watch in my Telegram recommendations and my updated videos on good stock advices. Thank you.